Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. The entry lists are out for the Jamaican Senior Championships. The championships are the trials that will select the team for Jamaica heading to represent us come Paris 2024. And trackies, guess what? One legend, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, is down to compete in her petty event, the 100 meters. But not only there, surprise, surprise, the 200 meters as well. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is down to compete in the double at the National Senior Championships. And trackies, I'm absolutely floored and excited seeing that Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce will be competing in the double. You know why, trackies? Because that is another medal opportunity for Jamaica, one that I actually was not counting, given the fact that Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce in recent years has said, trackies, I am done. She said, Jamaica, I'm done with the 200 meters. It is too much work. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Running behind Shericka Jackson, it's too much. I'm done. But hear what? In 2024, she's here down to compete in the double at the national championships. And as I said, I'm excited because Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce has a personal best in the 200 meters of 21.79 seconds. Now, this was done in 2021. However, post that, she has gone on to represent Jamaica in the 200 meters in 2022 at the Eugene, Oregon World Championships, where she walked away with one silver medal, only behind another Jamaican. Yes, so we're always doing it big in the sprints, not only in the one, but also in the 200 meters as well. So she finished second only to another Jamaican, Shericka Jackson, where in that race she ran a 21.81 seconds to pick up the silver medal. Now, trackies, given that after 3 rounds of the 100 meters and also 2 more rounds on the final round in the 200 meters, she was still able to clock a 21.8. Look here, she's a solid contender for a medal in that 200 meters, absolutely, for Paris 2024, even given everything that we're seeing with all the up and coming athletes, the athletes that are still in the conversation, to compete in the 200 meters. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is very much still in the midst of what the best athletes are currently doing in the world in the 200 meters. And I'm absolutely excited seeing Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce down to compete in the 200 meters at the national championships. Now, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, as I did say, indicated in previous years that she is done and dusted with the 200 meters. So, track is right now, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce could very well just be tugging at our Jamaican poor heartstrings and leading us down this track, believing that she once qualifies for the 200 meters at the national championships, will be competing for Jamaica in the 200 meters. But we have also seen in previous years where she has gone to the national championships, qualified for the 200 meters, and has not taken up her spot, unfortunately, in the 200 meters at the World Championships. And yeah, I'm talking about last season. Last season in 2023, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce qualified for the 200 meters, but unfortunately, she did not take up her spot in the 200 meters to head off to the World Championships in Budapest 2023. Now, that year, things were a bit different. One, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce was coming off an injury, was not race sharp, trackies, and used the 200 meters at the national championships to get sharp so that she'll be able to contend or compete at her best at the Budapest World Championships. So here we are in 2024, and Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is down not only to compete in the 100 meters, but put on that to the side because you don't know when Shelly did it in the 100 meter one spot put on for she. Yeah, she's gonna have to run trackies, I know that, but you don't know how Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce go on competing. She always turns up. She just has to place in one of 3 spots, you know what I mean, to get a spot on the team to the Olympic Games. So we're not gonna have the discussion over the 100 meters right now, but the 200 meters track is, if she does indeed qualify for the Paris Olympic Games, the big question in my mind now is, what is Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce going to do? Will she take up her spot in the team to run the 200 meters? Or, check is she going to be using these runs as glorified practice. Glorified practice for Shelly-Ann Fraser Prize track is. The reason why I'm saying this track is coming off 2023, where she did indicate that she would be participating in more races. We still have not seen Shelly-Ann Fraser Price all of 2024. Now, there are concerns around her fitness, which is why we haven't seen her run all season. But track is leading into the Jamaican Senior Championships and seeing that she's doing the double, it could be a possibility that she's using this double to sharpen herself, get rounds in for what will be competition at Paris 2024, and not necessarily partake or not necessarily to partake in the 200 meters at the global championships. She hasn't raced at all in 2024, so it means that she needs races. She needs those races to get sharp, and she could very well be using the 200 meters as part of her preparation to get ready for Paris 2024. Although I have to say, track is, if Shelly comes out and she's able to clock anywhere close to a sub 22 slash sub 22 at the national championships, then look here, Shelly, you're on the plane representing not only in the 100 meters, in my opinion, or in my mind, hopefully, from a fan's perspective, but also in the 200 meters as well. Because as I said, once Shelly Fraser Price is there in the 200 meters competing, then that is a solid shot, a solid opportunity for Shelly Fraser Price to get another medal. So we're not only talking about 100 meters, but we're also now talking about 200 meters. And yes, track is, I'm saying that even considering what the other females are currently doing in the 200 meters globally, I still believe that once Shelly Fraser Price enters the 200 meters and is running at her best in 2024, then she indeed is a medal opportunity for Jamaica in the 200 meters. And how can I not be excited seeing her down to compete at the 200 meters here at the national championships? Though, as I said, she, has a master degree in tugging at our heartstrings, unfortunately. She definitely has a master degree in that. So she literally keeps us, on tenterhooks with that decision at the end of the day, that ultimate decision. But I'm hoping that, seeing as though she's competing in both, if she qualifies for both, then she will definitely take up her spot in Paris and close out a fantastic career with possibly two more individual medals. And we're not even talking about the relay. But anyway, trackies, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. So Shelly Fraser Price is down to do the double. One, are you excited? Two, next thing, what do you think will happen post the championships when she does indeed? Because as far as I'm concerned, given what everybody else is doing in the 200 meters, then Shelly Fraser Price is also not only a shoe in for the one, but a shoe in for the two. So what do you think will happen post the trials? Do you think she will keep us on tenterhooks and then one day say, guys, surprise, surprise, I'll not be taking up my spot in the 200 meters? Do you think that will happen? Or do you think we will see Shelly Fraser Price repping Jamaica in the 100 meters and the 200 meters at Paris 2024? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, Trackies. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.